Welcome to 59th episode of Success Stories 100. Today we are going to talk about the success story of Zara. Zara is a clothing and accessories manufacturer and retailer. Zara was founded in 1975 by Amancio Ortega. When he was 15, he worked for a local clothing retail store where he learned to make clothes by hand. He loved his work, and as he grew older, he dealt with suppliers and customers and became the senior manager in 10 years. He loved fashion, clothing, that in his free time he developed his own designs. His interest for clothes increased, and in 1972 he founded his first company to sell quilted bathrobes. After 3 years in 1975, he opened his first Zara store with his wife. Initially they named it Zorba, but changed it to Zara after they found that there was a bar with the same name. They manufactured high-end fashion clothes. He and his family were working for the company initially, but then as the demand for his clothes increased, he hired people. Very soon, he expanded his company all over Spain. He was supplying his clothes to retail stores, and he was not able to start his own brand because of Spain's political condition. Spain was under Franco's dictatorship and it had dress code regulations too. But for Ortega's luck, Franco died in 1975. Spain went through new social and economic growth. Amancio used this opportunity, and that's how he started his first Zara store. His unique fashion designs became popular soon. In order to cut down excess production and giving excess clothes for sales, he produced each model only for a particular period, and the count would be less. So customers bought the clothes as soon as they hit the store. Also, because of the limited production, the customers would feel they have a unique model, which is far better than seeing the same clothes everywhere. Zara's fashion was called fast fashion, and it redefined the fashion industry. In the next few years, Amancio expanded his company all over Spain. In 1985, he started his work to expand his company internationally. He made a few acquisitions, and in 2001, the company went public, selling 20% of its stake, making Amancio the wealthiest person in Spain. By 2010, they had 5,000 stores across the world, and today it has more than 7,000 stores globally. Zara's holding company is Inditex, and it owns Zara and 8 other chains like Zara Home, Pull & Bear, etc. The company's most important part is their business model, the fast fashion by Amancio. New styles are designed in just 5 days, and it totally takes only 15 days for a model to be designed, manufactured and sent to the store. It launches 12,000 new designs every day. Amancio said, "One thing hasn't changed, the innovative spirit and urges for improvement that was the driving force back then." And if this is the first time you're hearing the story of Zara, make sure you share this video. Thank you.